Hi friends. Today we are discussing a scenario. For example, sometime if we are in a mall or in a marketplace and one of our relatives they start having chest pain, or we ourselves have ongoing chest pain. The feeling is very severe chest pain, ghabrahat, sweating. What to do? This may be actually you may be having what is called as a heart attack. Heart attack is an emergency condition where you need to immediately go to the nearby hospital, get an ECG done. On the basis of ECG and a 2D echo, the diagnosis of ongoing heart attack is made. This heart attack, if the doctor says you have ongoing heart attack, there has to be immediate treatment. Why? Because, for example, if this is your muscle of the heart and if there is a blockage in one of the vessel, now slowly, every minute to every minute, there may be slowly damaging happening to the muscles. The more you delay opening the treatment, the damage is keep on progressing. The earlier you open the block, we can restrict the damage and we can prevent further damage, and the risk to life can be mitigated. What are the options available to us in such cases? Well, there are two options. Number one, either the patient has to be taken for an emergency angiography. The blood vessel, which is 100% blocked, has to be opened up with balloon and a stent has to be placed. Second option, if this emergency facility of angioplasty is not available, there is another option of thrombolysis. Thrombolysis means giving a powerful agent जो कि आपके blood clots को break करे. Break करने के बाद blood circulation establish होता है and pain relief होता है. However, the thrombolysis, for its action to act, it takes at least 30 to 60 minutes. And second, it is successful only in 70 to 80% of the cases. That means 20% of the time, even with thrombolysis, the blockages may not open up, as well as there is increased risk of bleeding. So, if you are staying in a place where the facility of emergency procedures are available and if the patient doesn't have any contraindication for it, emergency angioplasty should be the treatment of choice. However, there are certain scenarios where thrombolysis works better, especially if patient comes within 1 hour, or if the patient is in periphery where reaching the hospital may take more than 2 hours. The choice has to be decided by ongoing physician, but one thing is very important. Time is muscle and the decision has to be taken immediately. Thank you.